This question, each shaded part, so the grey part, is a fifth of the area of the circle. So the total shaded part is 2/5, which means that the unshaded part must be 3/5, because it's the other part of the fifths. So the white parts have equal areas and they total 3/5. Now, there are two of them and they're equal. We can't split 3/5 very easily. So if we convert 3/5 into 6/10, which is an equivalent fraction, then it's relatively easy to split that, because 6/10, half of 6/10 is 3/10. So each white part must be 3/10. Check the question. It says what fraction of the circle is one of the white areas. So we just need one of the white areas. The answer will be 3/10.